Welcome, Health Warrior. I'm about to introduce you to something that could change your health and your life in just 21 days. Yes, I'm talking about the 21-day reset, the easiest, fastest, and safest way to kickstart your journey to better health. Imagine melting away stubborn fat, boosting your energy levels, and feeling better than you have in years, all in just 3 weeks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Al, I've tried everything. What makes this different? Well, the 21-day reset isn't just another fad diet or a quick fix. It's a scientifically backed, paint by the numbers approach to cleansing and detoxification. Here's the deal. Our bodies are like high performance cars. Over time, they accumulate toxins. It's like gunk that can build up in your engine. But here's the thing. It doesn't matter how premium the gas is that you put into your car, you still need to change the oil and the transmission fluid regularly for it to operate at optimal levels. That's exactly what the 21-day reset does for your body. It's your full body tune-up, flushing out those built-up toxins and giving your system the refresh or reset it needs to perform at its absolute best. Just like how regular maintenance keeps your car running smoothly, the 21-day reset optimizes your body's performance, helping you feel energized, focused, and ready to take on whatever life throws your way. Over 21 days, you'll go through 4 phases: reset, release, rejuvenate, and reintegrate. Each week, we'll meet to guide you through the process, providing you with meal plans and share tips and tricks for success. And the best part? You're not alone on this journey. You'll have access to email support, phone support, and a private group where you can connect with others on the same path. It's like having a personal health squad cheering you on. Now, let's talk results. The 21-day reset isn't just another program, it's a proven path to transformation. With more than 12,000 people having gone through the program, we've seen incredible success stories time and time again. On average, participants lose between 9 and 12 pounds in just 21 days. But it's not just about the weight. People report increased energy, better sleep, improved digestion, and a clearer mind. And these aren't just numbers, they're real people experiencing real changes. From busy professionals to stay-at-home parents, the 21-day reset has helped thousands reclaim their health and vitality. But don't just take my word for it. Head over to our website and check out the testimonials from real people who've gone through the program. You'll see firsthand how the 21-day reset has transformed lives. Remember, nothing tastes as good as being healthy feels. By day 21, you'll understand just how true that statement is. It's a feeling so incredible, it's hard to put into words. Are you ready to transform your life in just 21 days? Ready to experience the amazing benefits of true cleansing and detoxification? It's time to take that first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. And here's some exciting news. We're offering a special $50 discount just for our YouTube viewers. Use the code YouTube at checkout to get $50 off the program. That's right, $50 off your journey to vibrant health and mental clarity. Our next 21-day reset begins May 18th, 2025, and spots are filling up fast. Visit the link in the description now to learn more and sign up for the 21-day reset. Remember to use the code YouTube for your exclusive discount. This is Al Morenton with My Fit Life, where knowledge is power and health is wealth. I hope you have a beautiful day.